Good morning, everyone. Let's eat breakfast in the morning. This is my breakfast. No rice. Kamote, potato, and ubi. Hindi ko alam kung ano sa Tagalog, sa English ito. Oh, may isda. Tsaka gulay. Importante yan, ang gulay. May isang prutas. Yan, healthy life. Ang rice, iwas-iwas ng mga diabetic patient. Yes. Ayan, yung tiko, alam ninyo kung ano to? Guyabano leaves. Yan ang iniinom ko, guys. Good for your health. Yan, guys. A diet for a diabetic. But I am not a diabetic patient. I'm caring my health. Let's eat. Thank you for watching.